You're doing so good though.
I'm dying. All right, we'll leave it
Yeah,
alone.
bye snake.
Nope rope.
Nope, bye nope rope. How's that for an evening view?
It's a pretty nice campground.
Yeah, it's very scenic. I was hoping it would be surrounded by some mountains. And we are off in the Jeep doing not Jeep things.
It's such a nice day, but we want to try and wash this thing.
Yeah,
But
and
first, we're gonna go check out that Bannack, Montana. It's an 1800s ghost town that's been turned into a state park to preserve it.
right.
And there's supposed to be a bunch of buildings and stuff you can walk through.
We're gonna check it out. It looks like pretty cool. I mean, you're literally out in the West, an old West town. Really want to see what it has to offer. Since we're here, we got a couple of days to explore. That's what we're gonna do.
I mean, obviously, we're out west. I mean, look.
Look at that. Beautiful scenery. Don't mind the bug splats and the horrendously dirty Jeep. But
Yeah, hopefully we're gonna fix that.
Mike almost never takes my Jeep this fast.
70 miles per hour on a 2-lane blacktop. I'm only doing it because that's the limit.
Yeah.
I love Montana.
Shaking his rattler at us. Oh my gosh. That's a big boy.
Go pick it up.
Yeah, how about no?
It just wants cuddles.
Yeah, it turned back around at us and it's all like rearing its head. You see?
Oh man. All right, we'll leave it
Yeah,
alone.
bye snake.
Nope rope.
Nope, bye nope rope. Well, I guess I'm glad we didn't wash the Jeep yet.
Yeah. I think we made it.
Yes, we did. I see the parking lot. We checked in and paid and it cost us
$8.
Yeah,
'Cause
because
we're-
we're out of state.
Yeah.
And we got ourselves a little book map and we're going to check out some cool buildings. He said that it's known for its executions. They executed 5 people,
In 2 days,
including the sheriff. The gentleman, worker inside told us that Bannack is about gold. So it's a gold rush town, basically.
It's cold in
Yeah,
here.
it's like,
Must be ghosts in here.
feels like it's air conditioned.
You can tell this is an old building.
Yeah. I mean, look at how short this doorway is.
Yeah, let's put it into perspective.
Yeah. The wallpaper and stuff is because a lot of people lived here up until the 70s. So
It's a pretty cool, like, main drag through town.
it is. It totally takes you back in time to where it's like, it looks like it's from the gold rush days.
Apparently, according to this book, in July of 1862, they discovered gold, and it made the population of this town go from 400 people to over 3,000.
Wow. That's a big leap.
It is. That's a big leap.
You're gonna learn something, Mikey.
Well, this is first floor schoolhouse, second floor Masonic temple.
Yeah. It's a different combination.
This is how you get upstairs.
Because you want to go to the Masonic temple.
Yes. That's my goal. off. That's a bummer.
Yeah.
Should we check out the hotel?
Yeah. Hotel Mead. Oh, these are cool stairs.
Yeah.
This would be really cool if they, like, made it operational, you know?
It'd be really cool to come in here at night.
Yeah.
Steel doors?
They didn't mess around.
No, they did not.
Wonder if it was a vault of sorts.
I don't know, it doesn't say anything on it, but that's a big heavy door.
Yeah. Ghosts.
Ghosts is. Oh man, look at those old-timey Old West refrigerators.
They probably are from the 70s. They probably still work too.
Yeah, probably. Upstairs is not in as good of condition.
No. But it's still better than the Indiana sanatorium.
Yeah. Although the sanatorium was a lot of fun.
It was. It was only abandoned since 2011. And it was in way worse condition. Really, these are all the rooms you can book, your hotel rooms.
Yes, you get a lady of the night. Can't tell on camera, but it's like wavy glass.
Yeah.
Man, I cannot believe how tall these ceilings are.
Yeah, look, this is so tall.
Yeah, I mean, you're tiny in comparison. You're not even close.
You could fit like 3 or more of me on top of each other to get to that.
It's insane. They wrote,
Help.
help. You can see it in the camera. There we go.
We found the Bannack jails.
That was growing plants on the roof.
Yeah, it's a green building.
Yeah, it's very green. It's like a
tie down.
The ring on the floor.
Yeah.
And then these bars, these have to be original bars because the way they're in there.
Yeah. Dang, they really didn't want you to get out.
No, they did not.
Probably worked really
It's
well
the point
too.
of a jail, I guess.
Yeah.
I think the bar's missing out of this one.
But if there was only one person in here, this is a nice jail cell.
I don't know. In the summertime, the pitch gets pretty hot.
Right, but if there's only one person, at least there's just that. And it's not like 20 people piled in here.
Yeah.
Coming off the beaten path a little bit.
We saw this up here, number 8, and here it says gallows. So, hey, we'll check it out.
Yeah. All the while, we are keeping an eye out for snakes, just because we know they're here.
Yes. And something else to note too is you are allowed to bring your dogs here.
Yes.
And your dogs are allowed to go in the buildings, but the exception is they can't go in the visitor center.
Right. But we did not bring ours because it's like 90 degrees outside.
And it's going to get hotter.
There's no shade. You're just going to be walking around. And we are planning on probably stopping at the grocery store or something like that on our way back.
So if you feel bad for our dogs, trust me, they're in 70-degree air conditioning, and the TV's on for them.
Yeah, they're super happy. Got stuff in their Kongs. They're relaxing. The gallows. This is kind of a really cool thing to see.
Kind of creepy too.
Yeah, it's creepy because you know this was used. I mean,
people died here.
They hung 5 people
in 2 days.
2 days.
Including the sheriff.
Here, yeah, I wonder why the sheriff wonder if he was corrupt or they just like, oh, you're gone too.
Yeah, I don't know.
Start anew. That's how the Old West was. You're doing so good though.
I'm dying. We decided to walk up this hill. There's a cemetery at the top. The view is awesome.
Yeah, let's check out the view.
All you're gonna hear is me breathing,
You're right.
Trying to not die.
We made it to the top where the cemetery is, and
I can't figure out why. Look down there. There's the town, right?
Yeah, right down there.
Why would you haul your dead all the way up here? If you know, leave it in the comments because I can't figure out the sense of it.
Just to have it be away, probably.
Yeah, but they could just go lateral instead of up.
Well, there isn't too much lateral around here. We said that this is probably their least visited landmark because you have to go up at least a quarter to half mile.
And it's up. So there's two graves, mother, father. It's up at the top, probably can't see it, it's so worn away.
Yeah.
So died for mother 1902, and the father's 1906, but they're born in the 1800s.
Yeah.
Hard to read.
William H. Bell, November 12th, 1862.
Yeah, I mean, it's like literally a rock.
Yeah. There's also quite a few of these where you can tell that they are graves, but there's no markers. Right there, right there. There's a truck for you.
I'll take it. Tow it behind the wreath.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll fit in the garage. Look, it's even an International.
It is. You can see it on the side of the engine too, International.
Oh, that's great. Right up your alley.
Yep.
This is a church.
This reminds me of Billy Creek.
It does. What's your sermon today, Pastor Mike?
Well, we're going to talk about going to get a cheeseburger.
And the importance of getting said cheeseburger?
Yes.
Is that warning number one?
Warning shot number one.
I don't know.
One at a time on this.
Pretty sketchy. Is this your favorite one?
It's the doctor's house.
Yeah.
So.
You probably treated all kinds
What
of
do you
people.
think?
This one actually has some stuff in it.
Yeah. Well, walking around in this house, or not this house, but these old houses, we said, reminds us so much of walking around in your parents' old house.
Right, yeah. Just the same. I'm like, wow, this just feels like home.
And this river's probably why there's a town here.
Yeah. Plus they found gold, so.
Yeah.
That was a pretty cool town.
I enjoyed it very much. Bannack was a lot of fun.
Yeah, if you're into the old-timey, the history, stuff like that, we suggest you check out Bannack.
They do have a campground here. It's primitive. I have AT&T, I have no signal. Lynn
Right,
has T-Mobile, no signal. We didn't bring our third phone, our Verizon phone with us, so we don't know, but I'm guessing there's no signal.
Yeah, I had signal almost up to this point, and then I lost it once we got into the town of Bannack, so.
But even if you don't want to camp here, there's enough room. If you look behind us, people are bringing their campers here. Even right next to us is a small Class C.
Yep.
So you can bring your RV here, check out Bannack, and then head on out.
Yeah, or you can have your lunch here, and then, you know, all that stuff. We enjoyed it.
I highly recommend it. It was $8.
Oh my God, yeah, they charge per car, so keep that in mind.
$8 to get in because we're from out of state.
Yeah, I don't know how much it is if you're from Montana, but cheaper than $8.
This is the road into the campground here.
Yeah, this is to the Vigilante campground at Bannack State Park. And it looks like it's gonna be a tight fit if you got someone coming in and someone coming out.
Yes, definitely one-way traffic.
My Jeep is taking up the whole road.
Site reserved. Available one night. Man,
Hey, at least they're telling you that.
you're right, for such a little campground though, I bet you it stays busy.
Yeah, I can guarantee that. We found ourselves a car wash because my Jeep needed it so bad. And we wanted one where you didn't drive through it because we wanted to actually spray it off and brush it off ourselves to get it a little cleaner than the automatic car washes.
That looks a whole lot better. It's a whole lot cleaner.
Campground kind of cleared out a little bit from yesterday.
Seems like a lot of these come in for a night and they're gone.
Yeah, we will rather stay at like a truck stop or Walmart or something like that. A lot of people will come into a campground.
Get here though so we could catch up on laundry because they got full hookup here.
Right, yeah. So I've been doing laundry today, catching up on that. 3 loads in. Should be good for another handful of days, that's for sure.
They got a lot of pull-through spots. They got a lot of back-end spots. We got a back-end, which I'm okay with. This campground is a really good location if you want to go to Bannack, for one.
Yes.
And then it's just outside of Dillon. We went there, got lunch, and we went to Safeway and restocked groceries.
And did the car wash?
Yep, did lots of things just from this campground.
Yeah.
I would recommend it.
Yeah, it was very convenient. We'll have to check on the pricing. I'll put that in text, let you know. But they do have like this area right here is for the dogs. They've got beautiful scenery, very close to the interstate, but you don't hear any of the noise because I-15 is not busy. This is our site.
Number 6.
Yeah, M6. It's not a bad site. I mean, you got some green grass, you got a really long pad. I mean, look how much space we have between the Jeep and the Wraith.
And the Wraith could still go back some more too.
Yeah. They do not allow campfires on the grass. So you have to bring your own fire pit and put it on the stones. We would have no problem doing that if we had to. And then you've got all this green space behind you. This is our picnic table, which we didn't end up moving. So. Speed test time.
All 3 have done well.
Yeah, fairly well. This is AT&T, 58.6 download, 11.8 upload. Verizon, 64.2 download, 43.7 upload. T-Mobile Cellular, 97.2 download, 5.14 upload. T-Mobile Home Internet, 21.0 download, 5.32 upload.
We picked up 2, almost dropped it, magnets today. We got this one for Bannack.
Bannack State Park.
And then it was only $1, so we got a Montana State Park
Yeah.
decal or magnet.
We're gonna add it to our board over here.
Yep.
We do already have this one that we got before, but
Yeah, but
it's generic. So we wanted to get something more specific. So
yeah,
we got
kinda
those.
like we got like the Lincoln Boyhood Home. And
Right, yeah, we have like all of these from specific
Indianapolis
places. Brown County, Chimney Rock.
this is from drag racing.
Any guesses where this came from and how this happened? Leave it in the comments. Let us know how you think that happened.
Wonder how many people have this one.
Right. Yeah, we got that a couple years ago. We are packing up and we are getting ready to leave Countryside RV Park in Dillon, Montana. We had a really nice time here. You guys know how we roll. We have not had any reservations for any of these places up until the day we arrived. So all of this is the normal for us. And if you doubt that, I actually have all of the receipts to prove that the days that we were here were the days that I reserved the sites. Except for today, I still don't have any idea where we are going. Until next time, see ya.
It's a super nice place, but they've got rules, 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 and more rules.